Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to Science Online class. Hope you all are safe and fine. Children, in today's class, we are going to learn the continuation of the lesson Materials from Plants. Before starting the new topic, we have a quick recap on what we learned in the last class. Okay, children? What is materials, children? The different types of stuff we use to make things are called materials. And we know many of these materials come from plants. For example, cotton, wood, paper, etc. And we learned about cotton and the uses of cotton. From where we get cotton, children? We get cotton from cotton plant. And why we are using this cotton? We use cotton to make cloth and fill mattresses and pillows. We also use it to clean cuts and wounds. Okay, then we learned about how cloth is made from cotton. Then cotton has thread-like things called fibers. And there are different steps are there to make clothes. Okay, first one is spinning. The fibers are drawn or twisted to make yarn or thread. This is called spinning. After spinning, they will dip into colored liquid and boiled. This is called dyeing. After the cloth dyed or colored, the next step is weaving. You know what is weaving? Making of cloth is called weaving, and the cloth is woven on a loom. Then we learned about wood. Children, why we are using wood? Wood are used to make furnitures and it is also used for cooking and heating. Then only the wood of some trees can be used to make tables, chairs, doors, windows, cupboards, etc. You know what is timber, children? Wood prepared for use in building and carpentry. What is timber, children? Wood prepared for use in building and carpentry is called timber. And we know the trees are cut down by electric source. Okay. From they are cutting, children, the forest they are cut down by using electric source. Then they are cut into pieces. They are called logs. What are logs, children? Pieces of wood are called logs. And they sent to the sawmills. These logs are sawed into boards or pieces of different sizes. Children, all furnitures and wooden things are not made from boards cut from logs. Many things are made from plywood boards. You know what is plywood? Plywood is made of 3 or more thin layers of wood. Then plywood is generally used for doors, stairs, flooring, etc. Then you know how is plywood made? Plywood is made by gluing together thin sheets of wood. How is plywood made, children? Plywood is made by gluing together thin sheets of wood. First step, glue is applied to thin sheets of wood. What they are doing, children? Glue is applied to thin sheets of wood. Then many sheets are put together crosswise. First glue is applied. Then many sheets are put together crosswise. Then these sheets are heated and pressed together. Then we will get the plywood boards. Why we are using wood, children? Wood is used to make furnitures and it is also used for cooking and heating. Wood used for cooking and heating is called firewood. What is firewood, children? Wood used for cooking and heating is called firewood. Then you know what kind of wood is used for cooking and heating. People collect dried twigs or wood for cooking and heating. Charcoal. Charcoal is also made from wood. Children, why we are using charcoal? Dhobis will use charcoal to heat their irons. Have you seen that? Next, paper. Children, what is paper made from? Paper is made from wood, bamboo and other grasses. Children, you know bamboo is a kind of grass. And some bamboos are in tree-like appearance and they are called bamboo trees. Children, there are different steps to make paper. First, these things are made into small chips. We know paper is made from wood, bamboo and other grasses. These things are made into small chips. Then the chips are mixed with water and other things and ground into a paste. Okay, first they made into small chips, then mixed with water and it make into a paste. This paste is called pulp. The pulp is washed and cleaned to make it white. Then it is spread out evenly over a fine net. Here some water is drained out. After this, it is pressed by rollers into a long sheet. The sheet is dried and wound into huge reel. The paper from the reel can be cut into different sizes. Children, it is a big process. First one, the logs, the things like wood, bamboo and other grasses make into small pieces, chips. And this watered, then making a pulp. Then after making the pulp, they will clean the pulp. Okay. Then after the clean pulp, spreading and draining. After then press it, then drying, then we will get the paper reel. Children, paper is used in many different ways. You know what are the uses of paper? Yes. Why we are using paper, children? We use paper for writing. Then paper has many uses. They are writing, cleaning, packaging, printing, decorating, wallpaper, currency and security paper, etc. Children, when the pulp is mixed with different kinds of things to make different kinds of paper. For example, clay is added to make thick paper. Then you know how is colored paper made? Colored paper is made by adding dye or pigment in pulp before sheet is formed. This is the most common way to make color paper. Children, let's discuss the question answers in this lesson. First one, name 3 materials we get from plants. The 3 materials we get from plants are cloth, paper and wood. What are the 3 materials we get from plants, children? The 3 materials we get from plants are cloth, paper and wood. Second, how is yarn or cloth dyed? The yarn is dipped into colored liquid and boiled. This is called dyeing. What is dyeing, children? The yarn is dipped into colored liquid and boiled. This is called dyeing. And third one, what is charcoal made from? Charcoal is made from wood. What is charcoal made from, children? Charcoal is made from wood. Fourth one, how is plywood made? Plywood is made by gluing together thin sheets of wood. How is plywood made, children? Plywood is made by gluing together thin sheets of wood. Fifth one, which part of the cotton plant gives us cotton? You know which part of the cotton plant gives us cotton? The cotton plant gives us cotton from its fruit. Sixth one, what is paper made from? Paper is made from wood, bamboo and other grasses. What is paper made from, children? Paper is made from wood, bamboo and other grasses. Match these. First one, making thread from cotton. Making thread from cotton is called spinning. Second one, making cloth from thread. What, children? Making cloth from thread is weaving. Then coloring thread or cloth, it is dyeing. Then fourth one, logs are cut into boards in the sawmill. Okay. Then fifth one, rollers press pulp into a long sheet. Choose the right word. First one, cloth is woven on a loom, yarn or thread. The cloth is woven on a loom. Second, the thread-like things in cotton are called fiber, yarn or fluff. The thread-like things in cotton are called fiber. Third one, fibers are drawn and twisted to make cloth, yarn, pulp. Fibers are drawn and twisted to make yarn. Fourth one, to make paper, wood is first made into pulp, fluff, paper mesh. To make paper, wood is first made into pulp. Fifth one, sheets of wood are pressed and glued together to make plywood, cardboard, timber. The sheets of wood are pressed and glued together to make plywood. Children, what we learned in this lesson? Yes, we learned about different materials we get from plants and the uses of these materials like cotton, wood and paper. So, write your classwork very neatly and learn the question answers and read the lesson one or two.